eThekwini fire grinding challenge. The challenge has been running since 2012.
There you go.
This is the sixth event we're having concurrently from 2012. In 2012 we had it at the station at HQ.
Come on,
In
let's go.
2013 it was at Amtlanga station. And from there onwards, Nicholas Wilson, one of my colleagues that left the job, he was a fitness and health instructor here. He managed to secure this area to use, and unfortunately we lost him to the service. Not that he died or anything, but he just left the job. He's working abroad. But now he asked me to take over the grinder, so that is what I've done, and I felt it as a privilege and an honor. So then back to the grinder. What is the whole mission of the grinder? Why do we do this? The whole thing is that we want to bring about camaraderie between the firefighters. We want to get that spirit of that there's a culture where firefighters want to train every day. And if we train every day, obviously we're going to be fitter. And if we're fitter, we can serve the communities better. Okay, if you come back to the grinder itself, the obstacle course here composes of 4 components. And the components namely are the hose drag, the Kaiser Force machine and foam drums, that is 1. And then the tower, where you do a hoist, and then you do a tire drag. I'll give you a little detail about everything.
There you go.
You got 263mm hoses that you're going to be dragging. As you're dragging the hoses, you drag them for 60 meters until you get to a demarcated area. From there you run to the Kaiser Force machine. The Kaiser Force machine is a simulation where you're actually going to be like breaking down a door or breaking a forcible entry into a building. So then that's where we're going to be using the dead blow hammer. We're going to be hitting a 75 kg I-beam over a distance of 1 meter. Then after 10 meters apart, we got the foam drums, which is 25 kgs each. Each component, each participant has to move these drums, and there's 6 drums each. After that, there he goes to the tower. When you get to the tower, you got another 25 kg drums that he has to take up to the 10-meter tower, which is the height of that tower. Once he gets there, he places his drum down, and then from there he has to hoist up 263mm 20-meter length that are coiled. They weigh 21.1 kgs. He hoists that up until it gets onto the landing, then he brings his foam drum back down onto the demarcated area. Then he proceeds to a tire which is 105 kgs. This tire here is supposed to be a simulation where we're doing a victim drag. So obviously when you go into a building, the victim is not standing up. That's why we have the tire laying down. You pull that tire over a distance of 60 meters. Once you pass the line, that's when your time will stop. Okay, and then that concludes everything that's there. The reason why we're doing this here is that we want to get firefighters coming in. We've had it so far as only a competition that's only specifically for KZN. But in this competition, it's very, very special because we got the TFA South African champion, Emil Conrad, that is braced our presence. We got a couple of other guys that are also from Cape Town. We got guys from George. We got guys from Overstrand. So people have made the effort to come down to the grinder, and this year is going to be something that's going to increase the profile of the grinder. You can see that the vibe is building. You can see that everybody's settling into it. So the ambiance is good, and this is what our aim is. It's a nice opportunity to also meet other firefighters and build that brotherhood that firefighting is all about. And we got a guy here by the name of Samiso Kumede. Last year he did 5 minutes 47 if I'm correct. But he did a time that is basically humanly impossible. Now we have sparks flying, and it's a good thing that we have the fire department on standby, because Emil, and tomorrow you guys have to be here because Emil and Emil Conrad and Samiso Kumede are going to be going up against each other. This place is going to be set on fire tomorrow. So it's a good thing we have the fire department. Thank you guys.